Lata lang pala ito na sardinas.
making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Bacolod. In command of the aircraft is Captain Marlu Busto, ably assisted by First Officer Luis Costales. Our flying time is approximately 50 minutes.
Please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Provide everyone peace of mind while in flight. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperations, and compliance are highly appreciated. And please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarifications on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey and thank you for Flight Zero Pacific.
This is 5J483 bound for Bacolod. Only guests for this flight to Bacolod must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Your health and safety are very important to us. Recent scientific research supports that in-flight transmission of COVID is very low or virtually non-existent. For everyone's peace of mind, the aircraft is equipped with high-efficiency particulate air or HEPA filters that
Cabin crew is on course for rail question.
Passengers, please remain seated. This is for your cabin crew safety related procedure. Manatili lang pong nakaupo. Once again, for your safety, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bags from the overhead bins. Mangyari po lamang na hintayin natin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign na makikita sa ating ulunan bago tumayo para kunin ang ating mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong pagsunod.